Hey, where's my double check again? A lot of people, they call me and then they'll say, oh, I can't get it off. Well, they might have a bolt on there or something, you know. So, I mean, like there's 2 bolts there, you know. But we'll pull them off after we get the head busted loose here. And then we look around. I'm the type of guy I like to make sure so I don't break nothing. Just double checking that work here. Inside, nothing. Yeah, it's stuck together. Yeah, wish I had a bench. I have a bench vise, but I wish I had a bench mounted motor mount for this. I can make one. I have a welder and saws and all that crazy shit, so. Okay. Break this loose. I'm looking for spots I could pry on without hurting my mating surfaces. I think I found one, but this looks like I cracked pieces. Well, what the heck is going on here? It's so hot right now I can't move. I don't know if I should just take the whole jug and everything, but I probably can't get that loose either without getting this loose first. See, there's a stud that goes through behind here, and just like these, and then they get caught in there. You can't get the darn thing loose. And you don't want to be sitting there prying on surfaces and whatever else. Okay, I'm going to stop the video for right now. Okay, so what I did, so I took those 2 bolts out. And now I'm just going to, and I pounded on it with my plastic hammer here. Got this loose. So I got the whole jug loose, so I'm going to pick it up. My cam locator key fell down in there, so I forgot to pull that off of there. I was going to do that. There it is. And there's the chain riders. That head is still glued on there. I'll have to work with that later. But there it is. Now if I look at this piston, looks like it ran lean at one time. A couple little scores in it, but nothing on fingernail catches. But and for good sakes, I think I'll still have it bored. Have my side plate here. Geez, that's even good yet. This motor ran, and it ran good. Problem is, you had to pull start it with recoil because the starter reduction was busted off of it. So I'm taking apart a perfectly good running motor so I can replace that. That's what sucks. Why they never had a recall on that, I'll never know. Let's see if we can pull a chain out. Okay, there's a timing chain. And then where's my cam? Okay, there it is. No, this is a cam thrust ring. It goes in the head. Like this. So then it stops the cam from riding back and forth. Hopefully you can see that. It doesn't, if my finger was the cam, it can't go this way. It can rotate. So I gotta make sure. Usually it only has one. Okay? Just putting parts together here so I don't lose nothing. Last thing I'm going to do is lose any parts. So the head is still glued to this thing because these studs are stuck. So I'm just going to soak it. Oh, there's the model and serial numbers, by the way. But okay, see, there's my problem right there. You see what I mean? See these two bolts? It's a lesson learned for all of us. That's why the head won't come apart. But you know what? I'm going to leave it alone for right now. This is where we wanted to get for the D. Set that over there. Because now what I'm going to do is the parts that I took off of here, you know, I'm going to do this one step at a time. I want to inspect them. I want to inspect them and check them for wear and that kind of stuff, and put the nuts on where the bolts go and the screws where the screw holes are, and you know, stay organized. Stay organized. Once you start losing everything, it's like, oh no, what are we gonna do? You know. So anyway, now we know why the head didn't come off. See, that's how easy it is. You'll be prying and pulling and pushing, jabbing screwdrivers in every orifice and everything, trying to get something loose, and then you'll find out you left a bolt in. And when you find you left a bolt in, you know, and then also, and assume makes, you know what assume stands for? It makes an ass out of you and me. Well, I made an ass out of myself, see? So, but I'll take them out and I'll pop them two parts apart, the jug and the head, and then I'm going to organize what I took off, and then then the next step will be, we got to split the block here. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you this too. This is the reason why this nice running motor has to be all tore down to shit. Because of right here. This don't belong in there, but I just got it in there for now. Because this is busted off. So anyway, I bought a parts machine. So I bought a parts machine. And here's the good one. So we're not gonna fall out, I hope. Let's see this one. This one here ain't busted off. But I'll show you again here, but on this motor it is. So I had to take a good running motor and rip it apart. Because this is busted right here. That's it. There's guys on the internet that are fixing these, you know. But I choose just to, I'll go through it. So then, let me wipe my hands off. So you can see this one's busted off. I think you can see that, right? And it just sucks because it's just not fair to the owners of these machines. And they're right and you're wrong, you know. Here. Here, I'm going to get you in closer here. Let me get this down. Hopefully I can do that. Get you down, see? I can see all that's all busted out of there. And what sucks is this here is on the major side of the block. See, here's the split joint. So it's on the major side. If it was on this side, you could just pull the side cover off and replace it. It'd take you a couple hours. So now I'm gonna take the good parts out of here. Take the good parts out of this motor. You can see this mess I got going here. This is the parts motor. You know, I'm gonna make a good one out of them. Anyway, please like and subscribe, guys. And then next step is we're gonna split this block. You know, pull the circ clips out of the pistons, pull the piston off, mark everything. And so anyway, take care, guys. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.